We are here to tell you about two important programs funded by the Ministry of Children and Family Development and administered by BC Foster Parents Association and our agencies. These programs assist foster parents in BC with repair and replacement of personal property due to actions of children placed in your care under a family care home agreement. The intention of these two programs is to cover the cost of damages and losses that are sudden and unexpected. The programs do not pay for replacements due to wear and tear. The Rider Insurance Program is an extended property damage insurance program that was created in the early 1980s. Rider Insurance mirrors your own homeowner's or tenant's insurance. Your family care home agreement requires you to have insurance coverage for the home that you live in. Without your own insurance coverage, the Rider Insurance Program won't be triggered to provide protection for your property. The Rider Insurance Program automatically covers all foster parents in the province of BC who have a signed family care home agreement with the Ministry of Children and Family Development or with an Indigenous Child and Family Services agency, and of course, assuming that you have an insurance policy for the property where you live. After some significant shifts in the insurance sector, the Rider Insurance Program now provides coverage for large losses only, with repairs or replacement costs in excess of $10,000. The per-occurrence deductible amount for Rider insurance claims is $10,000. Your resource worker will need to know about your claim so that payment of the deductible amount can be arranged through your ministry or Indigenous Child and Family Services Agency office. The maximum amount payable through the Rider program is $500,000. If there is accidental or intentional damage to your home or to your personal belongings due to the actions of a child or youth placed in your home, your first step is to contact Coast Claims. They will advise you regarding next steps.
Most often, the cost of repairs or replacement for losses to a foster parent's property is below $10,000. The BC Foster Parents Association and the Ministry of Children and Family Development have created the Under-Deductible Losses Program. We call this the UDL. This program is not insurance. The UDL is a dedicated fund managed by the BC Foster Parents Association and Coast Claims Insurance Services. The UDL coverage is still specific to damage and losses due to the actions of a child or youth placed in your care through a family care home agreement. To submit a claim for losses under either the Rider or the UDL program, contact Coast Claims at 1-866-694-3111 or email bcfpa@coastclaims.com. They will let you know which program the damage or loss most likely qualifies for and will advise you regarding next steps. Damage and losses should be submitted as soon as possible after the incident has occurred. Each loss must be reported individually, so don't wait, even if you suspect there will be additional damage. In order to process your claim, you will be asked to submit the signature page of your current family care home agreement or contract, a statement of circumstances, which is a written description of the damage or loss that provides dates and details of the circumstances, pictures of the damage if possible, 3 cost estimates for comparable replacement or repair of the damaged or lost items, the declaration page or face page from your own home insurance policy, along with those policy wordings.
The goal of both the Ministry and BC Foster Parents Association is that foster parents aren't impacted by the expense of repairing or replacing items that have been suddenly damaged by a child or youth placed in your home. By streamlining these two programs, we have made it as efficient as possible for our foster parents to receive timely assistance to settle a claim and keep their home in good repair. You can read more detail about both the Rider Insurance and Under-Deductible Losses program on the BC Foster Parents Association website at bcfosterparents.ca.